Hey, welcome back. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Try and get some money, you know? Just kidding. But seriously. Okay, so same thing. We're going to label, and these ones I'm not going to write down all the formulas this time. So we got x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so we're going to say 5 minus 3 over negative 4 minus 0. Okay, we got to find our slope first. Okay, so type that in your calculator and see what you get. So you have 5 minus 3 on the top, negative 4 minus 0 on the bottom. So you're going to get negative 1/2. Okay, and that is what? What were we finding? Okay, that's our m. Okay, so now that I have a point and a slope, I can plug it in point slope form. Okay, so we're going to say y minus y1 is 3 equals negative 1/2. X minus my x1 is 0. Okay, so I know on the last page it probably felt like, oh my gosh, we're doing a lot of work. It's really not that much work. Okay, I was writing more notes than what we really needed to. Okay, so the one takeaway, label. Okay, label your stuff. Don't be lazy. Every year I say this to kids, and every year then some kids get the slope wrong and everything else. Label. Okay. So if you take away one thing, it's label, it'll save your life. Because if you do one little thing wrong up here, it makes everything below it wrong, unfortunately. So make sure that you're gonna label your stuff. Okay, so 17, we have 2 points. And you think about what formula uses 2 points. Okay, so you label, that's the first thing always. Okay, well what formula uses that? Okay, well our slope formula. Okay, so we say y2 is 4 minus y1 is negative 5. Over x2 is negative 2 minus x1 is 0. Okay, we're finding our slope. So you're going to say 4 minus negative 5 over negative 2 minus 0. Okay, so I typed it in just like it says up there. And so for your slope, you should get negative 9 over 2. Okay, so this is our m. Okay, that's our m. So now we have a point. This is a point and a slope, and so we can use point slope. So we're going to say y minus y1 is negative 5 equals my m, negative 9 over 2, x minus my x1, which is 0. Okay, do we have any minus minuses? We got 1, so we're going to change it, and we're done. Okay, I would like you, I obviously can't make you because I'm not there. I would like you to pause the video and do 19 and 21, okay, so this side by yourself, okay? And make sure that you're doing it correct before you do the whole dang sheet, okay? I'm going to go ahead and do them, so that's why I say pause, but try them and see if, make sure you're doing it right, okay? And as always, hop on Zoom if you need me, okay? I'll have it on. If for some reason I don't answer, send me a message on Canvas. This week would be a good week to get on and log in for my Remind. If you need some help, my Remind codes are online. That comes straight to my watch and phone. So seriously, hit me up if you need help. Finals are right around the corner, so don't go getting behind, okay? Okay, so we're going to label. I'm going to have negative 5 minus negative 3 over negative 3 minus 0. Okay, remember, if you keep getting like a decimal on your calculator, hit that SD button. It's right above the orange delete button, and that will turn your decimal into a fraction. Okay, you should get 2/3, and this is our m. Okay, so you're going to say y minus negative 3 equals 2/3. X minus my x1 is 0. Okay, and I need to change this minus minus into a plus. Okay, so hopefully you did that right. If you're totally lost and confused, like I said, please hop on Zoom, okay? Okay, so we got 3 minus negative 5 over negative 5 minus negative 5. Okay, so what's going to happen, and you probably got a math error on your calculator, okay? If you were to think about this, this would make it a plus, and this would be a plus, okay? So you'd have 8 over 0. In mathematics, we cannot have over 0, okay? You can't divide by 0. A fraction bar is really saying divide, and so this is one of the ones that I know some of you guys are going to have some questions about a 0 slope and an undefined slope. And so this one, you can cross it off. And I have not went through the evens yet. If you get another one, write me a note on there that you got 0 for the bottom, or it said error on your calculator, okay? I mean, obviously double check it first and make sure, but that is one of the ones where I really, really wish I was in class. That way we can have that discussion about it, because it's hard to, through here, when I know some of you guys are going to have some questions about it. So we will have that discussion on Monday. But any ones that you get like this and you get a math error on your calculator, or you know it's going to be that 0 on the bottom, you're more than welcome to cross it off, okay? Go through and do all of the even ones, okay? There's 11 for you to do. When you're done, put it in the box. Today is Thursday, so someone in my 7th period, hopefully you're watching the video, if the box is getting outrageously full, Amira, Quinaya, help Andrew or make Andrew or Craig empty that box out for me, and just paper clip everything and make them, label them or something, and make them look nice so there's room in the box for everybody to put their stuff, okay? I will see you guys soon.